start off, we're going to start with our orange oil. And let's get a whole bunch to dab under my eyes. That's a good looking guy right next to me though. More oil, I'm assuming, to dab under your eyes to... Well, that's for your foundation, I think. I don't know. That's the foundation. Squirt just a hair dab on you. Okay, that was not the foundation. I honestly have no idea what we're putting on right now, but it's two different kinds. Best way to apply it is with a brush. Oh, now I gotta look away and look into my mirror and check out my hot boyfriend. I cannot take my eyes off of him. Watch, I'll look again. Yep, told you. Gotta put this thing will make up for the little sponge that I always make my boyfriend go get wet. Gotta put it all in the T-zones and then rub it in. Can't leave it all splotchy. Oh, that is the foam sponge, but it's not wet. Now we're going to use some powder to dab all over my face. But I gotta get my mirror again, because I'm flying in the sky and can't see anything. Gotta do the cheeks. Gotta make it blend in at the top of the hairline. Get your little concealer on your cheeks. Gotta make sure you rub it in good. I'm pushing just a little too hard, but... See, she's blocking me out. She doesn't like me to take all the fame. Now we're going to go with some seal, foundation seal for my eyes. Oh, no, I'm knocking stuff over. I'm going to prep my eyes to give them a nice little glow. Those are magnificent. My eyes are going to be on fleek. Natasha Denona, I don't know. Oh, I spelled a whole bunch. Definitely a no-no. That's when I get on to Eris. Slightly blend the bottom of the eye with a little bit of brown. Dab, dab, dab. Got to give it a little bit of color and sparkle on the outside of the eye. As you could tell, we could not see what color that was, but it's glittery. Now we're going to give it some glitter. Oh, I poked my eye. Now I stabbed myself again. Doing makeup and flying is not very easy. Gonna turn my cheeks peaches. Peaches. Whatever. Iconic. This is gonna give us a nice little silver sparkle right over the... Yep, I know what it is, but I just can't think of it. Nope, gotta finish the spray. And this is spraying Eris all over. Yep. We're soaked. Man, I look like I'm on fleek.